Hey everyone, so I'm back with my second HelloFresh meal. Today's meal is this simple lamb ragu with roasted red pepper and spinach. So one thing, we do not like pepper. Both Kenny and I will not eat peppers, so we will not be cooking that. We'll be skipping those steps. But other than that, we will definitely be eating this, so I'm excited to try it. I don't think I've ever eaten lamb. If I have, I don't remember. I've definitely never cooked with it, so I'm excited to try something like that out. So let's get into it. Alright, so here is the bag that all the ingredients come in, and you'll check this. Alright, so I will just read you the instructions for what we're not going to do. So it says wash and dry all produce, core, then cut the bell pepper into 1/2-inch strips. So we won't be doing that just because I literally cannot stand peppers. So then it says to pick basil leaves from the stems, and it says note, reserve the stems, we'll use them to flavor the sauce. And then bring a large pot of salted water to boil. So we will do the basil. So next it says bring a large pot of salted water to boil. So we're gonna do that now. Alright, so the next step is all about the peppers, so I'll just read it to you guys, but we're not going to do it obviously. So on a baking sheet, toss the bell peppers with a drizzle of oil, season with salt and pepper, roast in the center of the oven, stirring halfway through cooking until tender, 15 to 16 minutes. So we're going to skip that. So on to the next one. So this actually says start sauce. So meanwhile, heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Add a drizzle of oil, then cook the onion. So the onion actually comes pre-cut, which is really cool. I thought I was going to have to cut that up. Cook, stirring occasionally until the onion softens, which should take 4 to 5 minutes, it says. Add the lamb, which I will get. So here's the lamb. Add the lamb and cook, breaking up the meat into smaller pieces with a spoon until no pink color remains, which should take 4 to 5 minutes. So we're going to start on that. Alright, so the pasta is done, so we're gonna drain that now. So the lamb is done cooking, so on to the next ingredients. So it says to add the tomatoes, the basil stems, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, the broth concentrate, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/2 cup of water. So we're gonna do all that right now. Alright, and then we'll stir all that up. So that then says reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer until sauce is slightly thickened, 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so the sauce is thickened, and now we have to remove the basil stems from the sauce. So we gotta pick those out of there. So it says to add the roasted red peppers, but obviously we did not do that because we don't eat peppers. And now we add the spinach to the sauce. Stir until the spinach wilts, 1 to 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. So we're going to do that now.
am all